ever had something amazing happen by accident? That's not luck. It's serendipity. आज का हमारा वर्ड है serendipity. इसका मतलब होता है जब बिना तलाश के कोई अच्छी चीज मिल जाए. For example, I lost my way to school but found my favorite ice cream shop. Total serendipity. Next time जब कोई अच्छी चीज unexpected हो, stop saying lucky. Use this instead. Subscribe, like, share and follow for more English fixes.